Welcome, and as I've promised, more videos on the V50. And in this video we're gonna do two things to the car. We are gonna replace the tailgate strut supports. These are the part numbers. All parts arrived from Russia, thanks to Evgeny for shipping it to me. And the second thing we're gonna do is replace the side view mirrors. I'm gonna upgrade them to the European style aspherical ones. We're gonna start with the tailgate. The V50 is 15 years old, and I noticed that the tailgate is kinda, it's floppy. It doesn't hold as good, it doesn't open as good. I decided to change the struts. Let's see if it's gonna make any difference. Quick unpack of the struts. I decided not to play and order original Volvo ones. I've had bad experience with aftermarkets before. These are original Volvo struts. They're made by Stabilis in Germany and they're marked 2019. So I hope they're gonna perform much better than the original ones on the car. As we can see here, they're pre-greased from the factory. Installation is super simple. Just use a small flathead screwdriver to pull on the little metal clip and unhook it from the ball joint on the car. Takes really no time. Let's compare the two. The top one is the new, the old one, the original one is at the bottom. Both of them are Stabilis, but the new one is 2019 and the old one is 05. So yes, it's 15 years old. The other difference is the new one is thicker. It's more beefier. Installation in reverse, just click it back into position and you're pretty much done. Now to the result. Now unfortunately there was no big difference in performance of the new struts. I was expecting the tailgate to completely open by itself pretty much after it was halfway open, but it didn't happen. Yes, they're stiffer, they're holding better the tailgate for sure, but there was no a big improvement. This shot here is the before. Alright, let's move on to the mirrors. The Volvo V50 has really small mirrors. Not only that, the actual glass is flat, it's not wide enough, which creates a big blind spot. So anytime when you lane change, you actually must shoulder check, because otherwise you're gonna hit that car. By the way, I did eliminate this problem and I did this upgrade on my XC70, link right now on the screen or in the description below. And today I'm gonna replace both of the mirrors to the European style on the V50. Now, the left box is the driver's side part number, the right box is the passenger side number, for your record. A quick unboxing here. By the way, the V50 mirrors, you can buy them here in North America. Unlike the XC70, I had to source them from Europe. Let's take a look at the driver's side first. Definitely wide angle look here, with a quarter of the mirror is dedicated to look into that actual blind spot. And now let's see if we can notice any difference actually on the car. Let's do a quick comparison here. Now, by looking, just a quick look here, we can definitely tell that the aspherical mirror gives you a bigger picture of what's going on. So I'm very curious to drive after the installation. On the other hand, the passenger side, for some reason, I don't see much difference at all, except that the European mirror doesn't have that engraved warning sentence on the mirror. So the disassembly, you know what, it was so much harder honestly to click off the mirror compared to the XC70, I thought I'm gonna actually break it off or pull all the guts with the glass itself. Finally it did give up, and it unclicked from the mechanism intact, nothing broke, but it was really hard, so take your time, it should unclick. Disconnect the two wires for the heating element. Let's compare the two. Now look what it says at the bottom. It says flat left-hand drive, and the new mirror says ASPH, Aspherical left-hand drive. The new mirror is made in Spain, and the old mirror, the flat one, is made in United Kingdom. Installation in reverse. Reconnect the heating element, guide the plastic white tabs into the slots, and it took me some time to click in the mirror, and finally it did. And again, the V50 was so much harder to replace those mirrors, just so that you know. A quick clean here, because I've used WD-40 to help with installation. I sprayed a bit on the surfaces at the back. Let's move on onto the passenger side. Same here, it was pretty difficult to remove it. One of the white plastic flaps was bent. Maybe someone was there before me. Let's do a quick comparison, and to my surprise, just take a look. The new mirror is convex right-hand drive, and the old one is also convex. That explains the reason why we saw no difference from both of the mirrors. So I guess it was a waste purchasing this side of the mirror, but good information for you guys. What helped me here is a little bit of WD-40 for reinstallation of the glass onto the mechanism. It definitely helped clicking into position, reattaching the cables for the heated element. Let's take the V50 onto the road and see if we can notice any difference in the mirrors. No doubt that there is a much noticeable difference now. The spherical mirror does its job perfectly as expected. It looks into the blind spot and is pretty much eliminated, assuming you correctly adjust the mirror, of course. I'm very happy with the result. That's exactly what I was aiming for. Unfortunately, the passenger side is still the same. The only thing is now I don't have that stupid engraved sentence on the mirror. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.